No, not yours.
Okay, I still think they can get married. Ears or no ears? Seriously, they're too cute.
We were talking that if they did get married and have babies, a stiff wind, the baby might float away. They'd have to put a little balloon string on the baby. Never let them see this video.
It could be in air traffic control without using the tower. Uh-oh.
Look,
baby Kaylin.
It's the milk machine.
Oh, that's all I'm worried. Oh.
Oh.
Who is it?
Kaylin. Hi, baby.
Go get Aunt Rissa. Go get Aunt Rissa.
You're getting her smile for me? All over me, aren't you?